Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica S Cappuccino. Now this machine was brought to us because it was not able to complete the descaling cycle. That was because the water tank sensor and the water tank of this machine had to be replaced. Whenever the water tank was empty, the machine was not detecting that and it was just keep pushing water through the system, trying to keep pushing water through the system even though the water tank was completely empty. And if and yeah, that's all we did. We also had to replace the water pump. This pump is been there since 2014, so it was time to get it replaced. And also it was forced because it was running dry without no water for a couple of because of the water tank sensor issue. So we replaced the water tank sensor, water pump, and now as you can see, we have an excellent stream coming out through the hot water one. So we definitely have water through the entire system. And now we're gonna do an espresso shot. It's going to do pre-infusion, which is that state. Once it does pre-infusion, it's going to push water through the mechanical valve into this brew unit and then to the spouts. And as you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Great color as well. Working perfectly. Water tank is working. Water tank sensor is working as intended. The machine now is detecting there's no water. There's no water tank inserted. We're going to empty out the water tank and we're going to insert it on the machine. And you can see it says fill tank because it's not detecting the can you see it? The refresh rate of the camera is the same as the display. So the machine right now says fill tank because there's no water in the tank. But if we install the other one, the machine says ready standard coffee. So the machine is thinking that there's water on this tank because this tank is defective. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Magnifica S Cappuccino working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for the playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.